The great thing about Steve Harvey is he actually is a master of situational humor. Like, it is truly a gift. I think that what Steve did for me was he helped me realize I need to loosen up.
What does it feel like to work with Steve Harvey? Maybe 30 seconds or so.
The great thing about Steve Harvey is he actually is a master of situational humor. Like, it is truly a gift. What you see on Family Feud and what you actually see on his FaceTime, I think it's FaceTime Live. You only see a fraction of how funny he really is. He has the ability to take any situation and make it hysterical. And so I think that what Steve did for me was he helped me realize I need to loosen up. Like, really did, because I'm not funny. I'll tell you, I'm absolutely not funny. But there's such joy that comedians, and I hate to limit him to that word, but comedians bring to an environment, and his ability to make people laugh, even when it's them, or whatever, but even the people that are listening, because he has situational humor, the thing that he's making funny, we all identify with, right? And so I think that that's really a gift that he's harnessed. And I love the impact he's had on me, because when I'm taking myself too seriously, or when I'm thinking whatever the heck it is that I'm doing, is going to solve world peace, he really has demonstrated that sometimes instead of leaning in, I actually need to lean back.
Can you tell us a joke, Amelia? I think you got humor in you.
Man, I wish. I mean, it's a crap. And I'm lucky that I have comedian friends that have this gift, and it is a gift. I mean, it really is. And it's something that I just really admire, I mean, even just like Joe Rogan, right? We were talking about him. He has this ability to go where people say don't go. And he has this ability to really make an impact, because the thing he's talking about, somebody has thought, right? Or they've been in the circumstances. And so having that ability to really identify with such a live audience. I think people forget that he started live in front of art audiences, and he has harnessed the craft of timing, right? I mean, really has. And so, I mean, again, he's somebody else that's on my bucket list, because timing in business is everything.